Hey, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a minute since I've posted any videos or done any content, but everything's going well. Things are real good, actually, but figure I'd get out here. Hopefully I can beat the rain today, do a little video, do a little update. I was just looking at my channel. It's been like 6 months since my last upload, and I left you guys kind of on a cliffhanger with my fall. But bike's a little scuffed up. Got some more character now, but I got her all fixed up. It all cost a lot of money, and it was a pain in the ass, but it's all over with now. But yeah, I'm gonna go for a little ride today, give you guys little updates. Getting more comfortable on the bike again. My legs all healed up. Kind of like been going through like almost some physical therapy and stuff, like with myself. I've been doing stuff like workouts and stuff because I've been having knee problems and all this, and I think it all spurred from me injuring that leg and limping on it for a while and just still working and all that good stuff. But I'm healthy now, healthiest I've been in 6 months, and I am doing good. I actually just did something kind of crazy last night. I ordered one of those dirt bikes off of Amazon. So it was only like 1,700 bucks. My buddy's been trying to get a dirt bike, and it can be street legal. Honestly, I figured I could buy it and resell it. It's probably gonna take me a few hours of research and like putting everything together, but I can test ride it, do some videos on it, and then probably resell it or just keep it for another bike. So I'll actually put it, well, obviously I'll do a video on that whenever I get it in, but I figured I could do a little build on that, putting it all together, getting it in the crate, actually riding the bike, doing a review, and just have something new to ride on. Maybe something I can practice wheelies on that's a little bit less intimidating and small. But things have been going good. I'm getting a lot more comfortable on this bike. I haven't ridden the blue bike a whole lot. Still is like a slow leak in the air tire, so I have to fill that up whenever I ride and stuff. But it's not a big deal. It takes 2 minutes. I fill it up and it holds for like a week or so. But if I let it sit for a couple weeks, it will get a little flat. But my one buddy Brian, he's like I said, he's looking to get a dirt bike, and he's like in between jobs and stuff right now. Like, he has a job, but he might be moving, so I'm hoping he doesn't. So he has like a deposit on a bike, but he might actually end up not getting it because there's been some issues with the whole thing. But he'll actually, what I was trying to say is he'll ride the blue bike with me, so it's fun to still have a friend to ride with. If you have a couple bikes and they know how to ride and everything, but maybe they don't have a bike at the moment, they're in between stuff, that works out pretty well for him and for me because it's fun to ride with people. My riding group has definitely kind of gotten smaller over the last year or so. I love this road though. That wasn't very good, but I'm getting a lot better at getting my clutch up wheelies going. I'm a lot more comfortable to actually hold the clutch in and give it a lot more throttle than I have been. And it's a lot more control because once you actually pop up harder, you slow down. It's like you go up in the air real aggressively, but if you go even harder, you get up and then you get that, not that balance point by any means for me, but it definitely, like, it's more controllable. And then I've just been practicing my foot brake and just that muscle memory. I've been forcing myself and just been telling myself, and that's what I'm doing today, is just make myself get in the seat, get your seat time. That's the only thing I can really, at the end of the day, there's something in my helmet. Whew. I think at the end of the day, that's what it comes down to. Just get your seat time, get on the bike and actually ride. It doesn't have to be, I say this all the time with other stuff in life, you don't have to do it for 3 hours on the weekend. You got to do it 10 minutes a day. And I've been saying that for years. Like, we say it at work and everything, but it applies exactly on the bike. You can have a really good time, but you'll be kind of burned out if you do it for a couple hours, and then you only do it on a Saturday. You don't really want to go all crazy when you haven't ridden in 2-3 weeks. But if you're riding 10 minutes when you have a little pocket, even where I live in PA here, we get real shitty weather. I mean, we just do it. It rains, and up a hill might be a little easier, but a little bit harder. There's too many cars around right now. I just need to focus a little bit more on riding because I haven't done a video in forever. That's why I also haven't been doing them, because whenever I do ride, I like to focus on what I'm doing. I like to play music. There's so much traffic out here. I swear every year it gets worse because they keep building more and more houses, and the roads are all the same. So there's so many cars out here. People just drive crazy, especially when it's nice out. There's more people driving, so it's like whenever you want to get out there, there's nowhere to go. But I go in this direction, is a little bit less busy, but there's still people. There's cars that you can't even find an empty road unless I drive 20 minutes away in the opposite direction of like the city, towards like the countryside. And those roads are usually like almost too windy, gravel, deer, and still working on finding a good spot and everything. But woo, But yeah, guys, I just want to do a quick update. I'm gonna ride around a little bit. If I do anything cool, I'll toss it in there. But wanted to check in with you guys. I just had to do something. I mean, I felt bad. I haven't posted in so long. So yeah, I'm still here, doing good. I got a dirt bike on the way, got a stunt bike getting fixed up, and we're gonna be riding that more too. And yeah, a lot of good things have come. Summer's just getting started, so hope you guys are all having a good one out there. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. I'll probably keep it going, but just in case my battery dies, I will just say go below, comment, subscribe. I actually will try to check out those comments, because I really I'm not a real big social media person, but I love my bikes. I love sharing stuff about my bikes, so I don't really like talking about myself, but I'll talk about my bikes and my other hobbies all day long. But thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. This place is pretty cool. Actually, they might be doing something today. It's Friday. No, not yet. With 5 o'clock, they might be finishing up this ooh, little roadkill. But they do these car shows here once a week. It's a super cool spot. If you guys are from this area, I think it's the Tiki Bar, you'd recognize it. You kind of know what area I live in then if you recognize that. Yeah, baby. That one's a little bit better. I just got no room to chase it out, because I mean, I don't really want to chase it out. You know, I don't really want to get pulled over. But at least got a little bit one there for you. I am getting better. I'm progressing, I promise you guys. Whether it doesn't really show, I'm at least more comfortable doing the same thing I was doing. And that goes a long way for me, I think, too. Because I'm all about the slow and steady at this point. I mean, I had that little spill and I wasn't even riding, so that does definitely a mental toll on you. I'd way rather get really good at doing like balance point sit down wheelies in over 5-year span and do it right and not have any crazy incidents and do any damage to the bike and to myself and to others. I'd rather do that if it takes slow and steady and I'm comfortable and I never have any incidents, versus me going just absolutely crazy and trying to learn in a month and breaking my leg, not going to work, and then just like all that kind of stuff. Like, it's just not worth it. Still always a risk, always is, but I'm all about calculated risk. But I want to keep going straight up here, maybe go like towards the highway, but I know it's going to start raining in about a half hour. I might just stop by my buddy's house here, just kind of do exactly what I said I was going to do, get a little bit of seat time and not go too crazy. When I'll leave you guys going. Good little update today, very short. I always make them too long, so I'll see you guys. I'm happy with this. Just seat time, guys. I might name this seat time. I'm back, a little bit of seat time. I want to keep doing small 10-minute videos where I don't have to edit for an hour. I can just kind of post it up and cut out any dead space and just do this more frequently, because I do really enjoy it. I got away from it and I want to get back into it. So thanks again, guys. If you made it to the end, let me know. Have fun out there, be safe, meet cool people, and be kind. Later.